You ready? Let's go.
Why do you have that camera?
I'm filming you.
Why?
We're making a documentary about Hannarella.
Why?
She's like Cinderella.
What is that?
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, no. Oh.
What's that birdie?
Him sleeping.
Is that
Is he okay? Oh.
There's ants on him.
Him dead. He's in heaven.
It's not. Let me see. Let's bring him inside.
Oh, no. No, baby.
Why?
I think he's dead.
No, he's sleeping.
You think he's sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's pick him up.
Let's wake him up.
Ah! Let's pick him up.
Oh, he's dead. Oh, no.
Not
Let's
good.
go bury him. Come on, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. This way.
Let's bury him.
Okay.
Because he's ours. He's
Oh,
ours.
what was his name?
His name is
Sleepy?
His name is Princess.
Oh. Oh, poor bird.
Let's measure him.
Okay, let's make a hole.
Make a hole.
Right here. Make a nice hole. Okay, here we go. Okay, right there. Right there, baby. Right here.
What?
You're gonna get your dress dirty.
What?
Your grandma's gonna be upset. Okay, put him in the hole.
What's this hole?
Right here. Okay, say the prayer, Hannah. Say the prayer.
Thank you for my birdie, and for my Daniel, for my grandma, and for my birdie, and for all his life. Amen.
Amen. That's a good prayer. Okay, let's cover him up.
Yeah.
Cover the birdie up. Oh.